advocate for the recent problem of climate change. Today, we are going to be making cardboard party garlands. According to the EPA, only 68% of paper and cardboard is actually recycled. And did you know that cardboard releases methane, a fossil fuel, when decomposing? This means that 32% of paper and cardboard that is decomposing is releasing methane into our atmosphere, contributing to global warming. But how can we do something to prevent that? Well, think of all the cardboard you throw away each year, such as toilet paper rolls. Today, we're going to be making something out of that cardboard and reuse it into something fun, like party decor. Just a note that to prevent injury, ask an adult for help with cutting. Here are some materials needed for this project. We need a ruler, a pencil, string, preferably 3 feet long, a pair of scissors, some tape, a cup of water, paint. Acrylic paint or oil paint works best. Watercolor paint will not show up on cardboard that clearly. We will also need a painting palette to mix colors. As you can see, I've already prepared some colors. We will also need some brushes to do the painting. To prevent a huge mess, I suggest using paper towels. And most important of all, the cardboard, which can be anything from toilet paper rolls to, milk cartons. So let's get started. Using a ruler, you can use a pencil to draw against the edge of the ruler and draw a straight line. Then you can draw another straight line a few angles away from it. That way you have a triangle shape. Repeat until you come to the edge of the cardboard. Now, I am finished with all my triangle drawing. We will now be able to cut the triangles. You may ask your parents for help if you need help cutting because some cardboard can be rough. Now, I have finished cutting, and these are the extra scraps. These are all my triangles. Next is time to paint these. Let's get out our paper towel and lay these triangles on it. I'm preparing the painting stuff, including my brushes. Going to dip some red, put it in the middle. There, that's a nice big blob. Then dip some white, put it there. I'll be using 2 colors, red and white, to make the color pink. Now I'm going to actually paint the new color onto the triangle. In the beginning, it may be a bit light because this kind of paint needs a lot of layers in order for it to be extremely dark. I finished painting my triangles and they're all dry. You can air dry them, although it takes a long time, or you can use a hair dryer and dry them that way, which will be much quicker. Now we will be using the string. So we're going to stretch the string out a bit so it'll be easier, and we're going to turn the triangle around. Then, after you decide how much you want to be protruding out of the triangle, you lay the string across the back, preferably at the top. Make sure the line is straight so it won't be crooked. And this is where the tape comes in. You tape the string onto the back of the triangle. And make sure to press it down really tightly. And do this for each one of them. Finish!